Can you introduce yourself and provide background on Tolaram Group?
Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil Kubragade, working as a distillation lead at Tolaram Group. Tolaram Group is a diversified multinational company headquartered in Singapore with a focus on consumer goods. Established in 1948, Tolaram has a strong presence in Africa where it has expanded its business portfolio to include manufacturing and distribution of popular products such as instant noodle, pasta and other fast-moving consumer goods.
What specific projects have you worked on within Tolaram Group?
Dufil Prima Food is a key subsidiary of Tolaram Group and is renowned for its production of Indomie instant noodles in Nigeria. Recently, I have worked at seasoning plant driving distillation project that produced seasoning for Indomie noodles.
Who did you partner with for digital transformation, and what were the outcomes?
We partnered with Sterison Technology Private Limited. Together, we successfully installed essential hardware such as relays, sensors, scanner, HMIs, and PLC to capture and extract manufacturing data. Sterison developed an effective application for us, enabling real-time monitoring of business KPIs. This application is also useful for providing insights on operational efficiency, product quality, and core processes.
What benefits have you seen from this partnership?
This application provides comprehensive report, allowing us to access performance trends and make data-driven decisions. Working with Sterison team has been a fantastic experience. Their team is knowledgeable, responsive, and truly understand our needs.
What future plans does Tolaram Group have for Industry 4.0 adoption?
We aim to expand our digital transformation across more facilities, exploring predictive maintenance, AI-driven quality control, and supply chain optimization.
Would you recommend Sterison to other businesses?
Absolutely. I highly recommend Sterison to any business looking to leverage IoT technology for better performance and growth.